Just to do a quick follow-up on my previous video, I want everybody to take a look at this. Okay, this right here, I asked a little question. Okay, how fast does Earth travel through space? Okay, this kind of gives you the breakdown on this page here, and the sum of it basically is 600 kilometers per second. Okay, with all of this is total Earth speed through space is about 516 miles per second, or 830 kilometers per second. Okay, that's with, if you take in consideration how fast we're rotating, how fast we're going around the sun, and how fast the solar system is expanding in the Milky Way galaxy, which is expanding in the universe. Okay, all of that added up, we're basically in between 600 kilometers a second and 830 kilometers per second. Okay, so what I'm telling you is that when we go here, and this is our velocity, we're going zero. We're not moving. Look, yellow to like maybe a little bit darker. That's right here. We're right at zero. Moving nowhere. Why? And this is negative. What? Why aren't we moving? Density. Zero. Look at all of this. Zero. Look, 1631. What time do I have up here? 1633. 2 minutes different, but still. Zero. Zero density. Nada. Pressure at 1620. Look. What? Hang on. Let's do this here. And I'm going to scooch this baby up and watch the time. Zero. No, 16, 30, 32, 33. Look at the time. Keep an eye on the time. Look. What in the world? Why did we have a period of zero at all? And then when we are getting it, it's like below 1. What in the world is happening? And here's another reason why I'm so confused. You come over here. Let's see, is it this one? It might be this one. Hold on. Let's come down here. Look at this here. We had a solar with an event. You're in event mode here. Wait a minute here, and you can see everything bouncing around here. Here's our density. Our density is showing that it's being. Our density is actually supposed to be at 1. What? Our speed? Here's our speed right here. Between 400 and 450. And then this one we have no idea what happened. But we're right here between 400 and 450. What is going on, brothers and sisters, boys and girls? What is going on here? I don't know. You tell me. And then here's another one. This is what I don't get. This is why we should be having some kind of density, pressure, and velocity. This is a coronal hole. Okay, all this dark area here, this is the coronal hole. You can actually see the corona of the sun. This whole area, this has been Earth facing for days now. And it just keeps on going. So like we should really be in, see, this is the 8th at 10:49. We should be having all kinds of solar wind. It should be hitting us. Why isn't it? Why are we like it's a standstill? Can anybody explain that to me? I'd sure like to know. There's some strange things afoot. My dear Watson, the game is afoot. Oh, what do we have here? Lasco C2 and C3. What? What is this? Looks a triangle, or like wings and a tail and a head? Is that what we got over here? Is that pretty similar to this guy? Look at that. A tail, wings, and the head. Almost like a bird. Bird of prey. Isn't science fun? Alright, now let's actually come over here and let's see if we find any more on this guy here. We're going to do this live. Live with you. Ooh, hang on, I'm actually going to have to get to the top so that way we can make sure we see everything, right? Alright. Do it right here with you on Lasco C2. Oh, there's another one there. Let's keep going. I know we're gonna find some. Oh, look. There's another one there. Oh, hello, my little friends. There's one there. Oh, look. And there's one there. You guys seeing all my little friends? Say hello to my little friend. Folks, they're everywhere. People. Oh, there's one at the bottom. How you doing, little fella? Oh, look. There's another one up there. How you doing, little fella? Folks, please start paying attention to what's going on at the sun. Something is going on. We're not moving. We have a period of time where we're not moving. And we've got all these. Well, I have to call them UFOs because I can't identify exactly what they are except to say that they resemble birds. Some of them resemble discs. Some of them resemble cigars. Looks like they're having warp signature trails or, what do you call it? Nuclear pulse engine drive. I mean, things are ramping up in ways that are just insane. I mean, we have light bending. Oh, look at that. Borg cube. We have light bending technology. People think that that's a joke. No, it's not a joke. I'll even show you guys here in just a second. You can actually make one at home. People use them for blinds. Oh, look. This right here, pulse engine. That is a nuclear pulse engine signature trail right there. You can see all little bangs, little boom, boom, boom. It pulses like a heartbeat. Boom. That's why they call it that. You know, pulse engines, Scotty. Yeah, no joke. Oh, look. There's another guy up there. I'm sure a couple of those other ones are, but they're not as identifiable as that one. Oh, look. There's one. How you doing there, little guy? Bam. Right there. Isn't this fun? There's a crap ton of them, and people, you can all go on here and you can look for them yourselves. In fact, I encourage people to do so, and show your friends, show your family, for crying out loud. Now let's come over here to Lasco C3. Now there was nothing before here, that's why I started here. There's one, there was one. Oh, there's another one off to the right. Oh look, there goes like some form of a accelerated signature trail. Oh look, right up here. There's one there, one there. Oh, yeah. How you doing, buddy? And the thing is that we can keep going on. I can go on doing this for hours. I mean, look, there's another one. Oh, how much more evidence do we really need? I mean, people, seriously, share this with your friends, with your family. Put it on Facebook. Put it on TikTok, Snapchat, whatever you want to put it on. But let people know about it. I mean, I'm sitting here. There's another one there. Oh, here's the other thing. Has anybody ever noticed that this looks? If this bar, sometimes this bar here is actually up here in the top right, and then sometimes it's down here. But what if it was over here? What if it was over here? What would that look like? Would that look like a letter? What would be significant to that letter? Circle with a line coming through and out the side? What would that look? What would that be like? Someone letting us know. Oh look, there's one right there. How you doing, buddy? Saw the signature trail, I'm sure. Uh-oh. Borg cube. Maybe. Memorex blinding us. They don't want us to see. There it is again. I love those. But let me show you what I'm talking about with the light bending technology. Oh look, there's another one right up here. Going this way. But let me see if I can find I'm going to try and find a video and share it with you on the light bending technology real quick. Alright, oops, sorry, I'm scooting my chair out. For those of you who think I might be full of shikaka, that we don't have light bending technology or cloaking devices, here's a guy who makes one on a piece of plastic, building an updated invisibility shield for Chris Ramsey. This is at Random, I believe the name of this guy's channel is. I'm giving him full credit. It's his video. Random. Okay? Watch this. Now I did mute it, but watch this. Here we go. Oh, you already can't see his legs. Look at that. You can't see the kid. Whoop, where'd he go? Now this kid did this at his house. He literally built this. Okay? Now, this is a kid that did this at home, and you can get all this stuff. See, right? If you come down here in the comments. Oh, come on, you got this bloody wonder. There we go. This is built out of request from another YouTuber by the way, my name is Chris. I hadn't been planning on doing this, blah, 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 right? But check this out. Come down just a little bit more. Oh, come on. Look. To everyone curious, I purchased my lenticular lenses here from this website. The specific ones I used for was 100 LPI 3D option. Thank you so much. Folks, you can order this stuff. Do you guys get it? If you can order this stuff and make a invisibility shield and use it for hunting or whatever, hello, would we be prey? Cloaking devices on ships. This kid did it at home. Imagine the higher technological advance that they're doing at the higher grade material that they have. When I'm showing you a Borg cube, that's literally that technology that we're seeing in space, and that's why you can't see it, because it's got the light. It's covered with that stuff. Come on, man. I'm not doing conspiracy theory. I'm doing conspiracy fact and conspiracy probability. And I can't even say it's a conspiracy anymore because it's proven. No, here he's gone through the whole thing on how he builds it, and it's brilliant. I've watched it. So, folks, start paying attention and start realizing stuff is going on, and we are living in the time of Star Trek. Love you all. Stay safe. Please like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate you. Share this with your friends and family. Get their opinions. Don't sit there and say it's fact. Just say, hey, I was seeing this, and what do you think about this? And then start researching it with them. You guys look at it together and start researching. Start waking people up. We got to find a way to get people to start opening their eyeballs and seeing what's happening. All right? Stay safe. God bless.